Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lights, trip computer, clock, compass, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.